Hello friends, how are you? It's me learning with Shiraz. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make a health bar in Scratch in just 3 costumes in a sprite. First of all, name cat sprite as player or whatever you want, and the project as health bar or whatever you want. Now create in the code set the cat's sprite when green flag, like creating a variable for all sprite health and another variable max health. I think made a mistake in naming the variable health. Set health, duplicate and change max health. Set max health to 200 and health to max health like this. It's basically 200. And set mode to draggable. In this, you can drag the cat in the full screen mode. It is cool. Now set change health variable into slider and set maximum value to 200. Now create a new costume here. Now name it health bar. Now zoom in. Now from the center, count 6 squares with what we say vector. In the vector format, count 6 squares to the left and 1 square up. One line outline, draw a square matching to the line of the and just texture arrangements. Just customize as you want, but it should align with it. And the red color part should be aligned with the 6 squares line, which is this. Now just duplicate it and hold shift to drag it. Now change fill by pure black. It is halfway red and halfway black. Now it should also come and align with the 6 squares on the last convert to vector. Now it is looking good. Duplicate the sprite 6 is to 300. Now come to the codes and add to the first of all name this costume empty. I will tell you why. And this costume has base. Okay. Now just drag half. Just select the black portion and hit delete key. Now duplicate this also. Now we have to just drag it. So we are going to use the measuring tool brush. Now mark the ends of the sprite like this. Now select and drag it. It should match with the dot. Just to hold the what we say arrow key to the left. Now it is not matching. Let's match it. Yes, it is matching. Okay, now remove the dot. We have to make the dot until name it full and from the line of that. Name it. Now set it to pure black empty costume. Now just cut this black portion. Oh, I made a mistake. Cut it. Oh, once more again. Sorry. Cut the black portion. Now to hit the delete key. Now we have done all the costumes. We will make also 2 more costumes. Now come to the editing. In the okay, we'll make new sprite and just count 6 squares and with outline just 6 squares. because we have the three. Prevent from glitches. Now make a big costume with any color with no outline. Okay, big costume. Okay, we have made a based on steps next to the center. I have made you can make outlines also. When green flag, click switch costume to base. Now go to front go to front layer and create a clone of myself. Now go to looks category, switch costume to layer, create clone of myself. Yes, and create clone of myself. And go to one layer backward like this. The full costume is not there, that's why it is not showing, but it will look like that. Now just put costume to full in the looks category. Clean up, just a clean up blocks, it is messing up. Now go to layer, change Y by 70. Now create a new variable for this sprite only percent. Solve the problem. Don't worry. It will solve the problem. Don't worry. Change color effect into percent by 50. I will tell you why, but till now here 50. Now come to the up for a blue, one green click. If else percent is less than 0.5, here I have made a mistake. Equal, so sorry that percent is equal to less than 0.5. Switch costume to empty, then duplicate it, and switch costume to full. Yes, now we have to just slide it right there. So now come to the costume and create set all costume to bitmap. So no, while doing that in the layer costume we have done a mistake in the lines. I think we should resolve that. Zoom in. When I zoom it through, so you see this line has been a little bit dragged up. So let's resolve that. Hit control to vector, then select that line, delete it. Now, while holding shift key, when pixels, connect to vector 1, pixels while holding shift key, outline 1, black. Oh, here I have done a mistake, a little bit big I have made. Okay, better. Yes. Now, little bit while holding shift key. Yes, we have done. Now, come and clean up possible blocks and change XY block. First of all, we have to store the width, which is 48 pixels, because our sprite the costume is 48 pixels, so it will be 46 because the inner radius is 46 pixels. So name it width for this sprite only. Yes, and set width. Wait a minute. Set width to an operating block here. Okay, an operating block. Wait a minute. And we have to put an operating block here. Into block 46, which is the inner red. 46 and divide block. We have to divide 40. We have to multiply 46 by size, which will be around, and divide by 100, which will be around 138. If we multiply 46 by size and divide by 100, it will be 138. So you can see the width, it is showing 138. Now our health bar is now creating, which in into block width into percent. Now see, yes. Now testing time. Hide all things. Okay, till half. But no, I have made a mistake. I don't know. Let me check on the percent. I have made a mistake. Put equals block. So let's put less than block in the percent 0.5. Yes. Now we have done. Can you see the health bar is working? I have made this with the griffpatch. The big costume is working. That I will tell you. If I remove the big costume, like see, if I will remove the big costume, so I will tell you why. See, the health bar is not going. If your health bar is coming like here, so it is falling down because I have switched costume to big. But when I don't switch costume to big, so it will don't collapse there. It will collapse in the left. So see, it will collapsing in the left, but it will not collapse in the down. See, so that is a glitch. So I don't know like, share, comment, subscribe, and do press the bell icon to get updated. And please tell me if you want to learn something new. Bye.